Hey guys, this is your boy Best Boy 85. I need to tell y'all about what happened at Monday Night Wallette in Las Vegas, Nevada, when CM Punk helped R-Truth defeat John Cena at the table match. He made a promo while he's sitting down at the ramp explaining about walking away for the WWE Championship at his hometown of Chicago at July 17th in the Money in the Bank. He also trashes Vince McMahon, the company, the wrestlers, and most importantly, the fans. I mean, to be honest, I understand that he said what he needs to say on what's going on through this company. But what he should have did is, he should have just say what he needs to say outside the WWE, not inside the WWE when you're about to leave the WWE. But instead, he wants to get off his chest. He also give a shout out to Colt Cabana, the Ring of Honor. I mean, to be honest, he's going way too far. But I understand his frustration, I understand his pain and all that. But he is about to leave the WWE and he wants to say what he needs to say. What he should have did is, if you want to speak your mind or have your own opinion, you should address it outside the WWE, not inside the WWE. And that's just why his mic got cut off. And I don't know what the fuck he's trying to say. So I need to get something out of my chest about the CM Punk controversial promo at the WWE that I watched last Monday. I mean, the guy has an amazing career. He's been with that company for like 5 years or more than that. He's a former one half of the World Tag Team Champions with Kofi Kingston, the former Intercontinental Champion, the 2-time Money in the Bank winner, and most importantly, the 4-time or the 3-time World Heavyweight Champion. And his goal right now is to become the new WWE Champion at his hometown of Chicago before he's leaving the company with the WWE Championship. I mean, everybody responded. Everybody congratulated CM Punk for what he did, for standing up without backing down from this business. I mean, and then on Facebook that I posted the video and many other people commenting and many people praising him for what he did on Monday Night Wallette in Las Vegas, Nevada. I mean, I appreciate what he said, what he needs to say, but you should do that after you leave the WWE. Then you can say what you need to say because you leave the company and you're no longer working with Vince McMahon. But instead, he wants to walk the mic and give us off his chest so much that they have to cut the mic. So that's it. That's all I can say about it. You know, what he should have did was a little different for what he did on Monday Night Raw. So before I go, please comment below on this video, but please take it easy, be nice. Negative comments will be deleted. So I'm giving you guys a warning. You can disagree of what I just said on this video, but don't talk shit on what I need to say on this controversial promo by CM Punk. Like I said, negative comments will be deleted. So that's all I gotta say. Till next time in the future.